Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Ford Focus windows. First, you'll need to prepare your vehicle. This common issue, where the auto up and down feature stops working, is easily fixed with a quick recalibration. It's a straightforward process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes, without needing any specialized equipment or a trip to the mechanic. To begin, get into your Ford Focus and turn the ignition key to the on position. You don't need to start the engine, just ensure the electrical system is active. Next, identify the Windows switch for the window you want to reset. This initial step is crucial as it powers up the Windows control module, getting it ready to accept new programming for its auto functions. Now, pull and hold the Windows switch in the up position until the window is completely closed. Once it reaches the top, release the switch. Immediately after releasing, pull and hold the switch up again for a full 3 seconds. This action programs the window's upper limit. You'll need to repeat this precise sequence for every window that has lost its one-touch functionality. After completing the reset for all affected windows, it's time to test them. Briefly press the window switch down and up to confirm the one-touch auto function is working correctly. The window should now go all the way down and up with a single press. If it doesn't, simply repeat the calibration steps. For more great tips and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to look at the links in the description below, along with other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.